Hello friends, welcome to this very lesson. Please, before we go ahead with the lesson, I would love to tender an apology to my dear students because as at the time this course was hosted or when it was launched, this very step was omitted due to some human error. So some of my old students weren't able to access this very step or this very stage. So we're going to do it now. This is the uh, starting point or the first stage of paperback publishing. So let's do this, guys. First of all, we input our website kdp.amazon.com, then we load the site. Now on this page, there is a yellow button written create with a plus sign. Okay, so this is the very book we published. We are working on the power of having fun. Okay, so but we skipped this very step. All right, so now let's do this, guys. Click on that create, the yellow button. So we click on create. It will take us to this page where we select the very version of our work we want to create. So you click on paperback. So I love to create my paperback first. So now we have the paperback details where you input the book title, the subtitle and other information. So our book title was the power of having fun, and then I think the subtitle was how to live a happy life. So you just fill this in. So after that, you scroll down, you leave every other thing as it is, and then come to author. You input your author name or your pen name. Okay. Then if you have any kind of prefix or suffix like Mr., Doctor, and all those stuff, you input them as well. Then if you have contributors to people that sent you some idea, you can include their information at this section. Then the next thing you're going to do is to write the description of your book. So you need to write something attractive that can, compel a visitor to, take action. And action here is ordering your book. Okay, so you input your description right here. Now, after writing the description, you come down, you scroll down to this section where you agree that you own the copyright and you hold all the necessary publishing rights. Our book has no sexually explicit image, so you click on no. Now you can select the age range. Okay, people who are compatible, or fit to access this very content. You can set it at or from this very section. You leave your primary marketplace at amazon.com, then you set your category. Okay, so we're going to make use of bookboat.io. On the bookboat homepage, hover over resources, then select KDP category finder. That's the first item on the list. So you click on KDP category finder. Then under keywords, in this section of keywords rather, you input some strings of your title or subtitle. Okay, so let me say having fun. Let's see what suggested category they are going to present. Okay, look at this. We have uh humor and entertainment. I think this is much related. So let me now try to input just one string. Let's say fun. I'm going to leave it at just fun. I think we have just the same items. Okay, so now I'll be going back to the KDP website to look for this humor and entertainment, trivia and fun facts. So you select one, then come down and look for humor and entertainment. This is it here. So you click on subcategory. So I can select anyone. Let's say trivia and fun facts. Okay, so you can decide to add more category, and subcategory. So but I will leave this at just only one. Now you click on save categories. So after this stage, you come down and input your 7 keywords. All right. I've taught us how to generate these keywords using Seller App, Asin Seed, Answer the Public, Amazon Suggestion Expander, and all those tools. All right. So in this section, you input those keywords that the 7 most relevant keywords, you input them there. So I'm going to do this and then we proceed. Now in the next section, you can set your publication and release dates. Okay, so publication and release date is actually the same unless yours is different. Now you leave your book at release my book for sale now, then you click on continue, save and continue. If you don't want your book to be released immediately, you can still schedule it for a later date. Okay, so but now we want ours to go live immediately, so we click on save and continue. All right, it says save successful. Now on this very page, we click on the assign me a free KDP ISBN number. So I'm not going to do this because I've done it already. So when you click on it, a number will be assigned to you. Then you copy it and paste somewhere. All right. So you set your book details black and white or standard color or premium color. So you can set standard color if you have some images in your interior. In this section, you can set your trim size. I'm going to leave mine at 5 by 8. Now the cover finish, you can leave it at either matte or glossy, it doesn't matter. Then the manuscripts, upload manuscripts. So this is where you upload your finished, perfectly formatted paperback, you know, Word document. All right. So you locate it, maybe it should be at the document folder depending on the device you're using. Mine is usually saved at the document folder. Okay, I've located it. You highlight it and then click on open. It will start uploading. All right. Now after loading, you're going to get something like this. Okay, that it has been uploaded successfully. All right. Now the next thing you're going to do is to click on download a KDP template. That's for our book cover now. All right. So you can see there, download a KDP template. You click on it. Now on this very page, we're going to be entering information about our paperback. All right. So the binding type is paperback. Interior type is standard color depending on what you set. Then paper type is white paper. Page turn direction normally left to right. Then measurement units, I prefer inches. Then interior trim size, we selected 5 by 8, right? So whichever one you selected, you make sure you still maintain it here. This is information to help us get correct dimension for our book cover, paperback book cover. Okay. Now we input our page count. Let's say our book is 70 pages. Now you click on calculate dimensions. Now it will pop up a template with the actual dimension of our paperback. All right, so we're going to use this very template to design our paperback cover. After that, you click on download template. All right, you can see the download icon at the top of my browser. So I'm going to click on this file icon. So it take us to the direct location of the downloaded template. All right, so click on extract file. Now I would like to create a new folder where the extracted file will be, saved. So I will click on new folder. Then when you click on new folder, you rename. For this, I'm going to call it paperback cover template. Okay. After renaming the part, you click on OK. Now you're going to see a folder just beneath that template. So you click on it. We have this very subfolder. You click on it, then you can access the template. It's both in PDF and image format. So let's open the image format and see what it looks like. So this is it, guys. You can see where the root overall dimension 10.804 by by 8.250. So this is the overall dimension of the book cover. So when you are creating a new design, this is the dimension you're going to impute. All right, you're going to learn this, you're going to understand this better subsequently. Now, after you must have used this template to create a book cover design, you come here and click on upload a cover you've already designed. Now you click on upload your book cover. All right, so if you click here, you now select a book cover you have designed. You're going to design it in the next lesson. All right, so I'm just showing you this whole process so that we understand it better. Okay, so after uploading the book cover, you come down here and indicate if you used any AI tool. All right, AI generated content. Now for the text, if you used AI, you indicate the intensity, like I used some sections with minimal or no editing. All right, then in this box you input the particular AI tool you use. Now for images, you select the intensity as well, and then you indicate the AI tool you used. Okay, so this is why it's advisable to use these AI tools as assistants and not just as the primary source of your content. Okay, so I filled in GenCraft and Canva as my AI tool. Now there was no translation. Okay, so you leave this at none. Okay, then you come down and launch preview. If you click on launch preview, you're going to see a preview of the entire work, both the interior and the book cover. And then if there are errors, maybe grammatical errors or error in your dimension or your book cover designing, it's going to display during this preview. Okay, so but if you follow my lessons, you may not encounter such errors. Now let's get to understand this better in the next lesson. See you and thanks for watching.